Hey everyone, it's Mr. Harvey here with another episode of our series, That Job is Real. And today I am at Amsted Rail here in Greenville, South Carolina, where I'm meeting with a great friend of mine named David Rowe. Our goal today is to introduce to you what all they're doing here from a manufacturing to the design process to all that they're doing, how they got here, so that you also can be introduced to what it's like working and building parts for railroads. All right, I'm here with my friend David Rowe. David, thanks for letting us do this with you today.
Absolutely.
I'm really thankful. Tell us a little bit about Amsted Rail and tell us a little bit about what you do.
Cool. Well, I've been with Amsted Rail for about 8 years now. With Amsted Rail, think about the freight cars that you wait at the railroad tracks. The arm comes down, you're sitting there, you're waiting, it's coming by. So there's about 1.5 million of those.
Yeah.
And we at Amsted Rail, we make parts that go on all of them. So everything from the things you see behind us to the wheels to all that stuff. We're doing a lot of machining, which takes some metal, and we take parts out of it, and we make it something very specific. So
what is your role here with Amsted Rail?
So I am the maintenance lead. I work with two other guys, and we maintain all the equipment here. We fix it. We do the maintenance on them. We do installs. We do automation, new projects. We do all kinds of things.
Yeah. All right, we're about to go in the warehouse. Mr. Rowe's going to take me in there, which means I got to change out of my comfy shoes. We got to put on these steel-toe boots for safety. We're also going to wear our safety goggles and earplugs as we go. So where are we now?
Yeah, so we're walking into the production floor, and we've got all our lines set up this way. We've got our maintenance area over here. But yeah, it's nice and air conditioned.
It's nice, man. This is nice.
It feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah, this is way better than working outside.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so here we are in the maintenance shop. We also have staged up here just a project we're working on. So we're taking a manual process out there, and what we're doing, we're going to automate it. So a lot of stuff goes into it.
What's the timeline from this being thought to like final build and like working?
There's a lot of variables that go into that. If you really put the pedal to the metal, you could probably get this done in about, I'd say about 3 months.
Okay. 3 months, not bad. So nothing happens overnight.
That's right. That's right.
It's good to know. Cool. So what's this table that we're looking at?
So this is a little conveyor where they assemble all the parts. If you look over here, these are all the pieces that kind of go into it.
All right, so where are we now?
So this is our basically 150 car test set. So this simulates 150 freight cars. It's set up with all the brake cylinders, the reservoirs. There's miles of brake piping. So it's a lot of air to put in here. But basically, you've got a control system down there. You've got like the handle that goes on the train that the conductor's using to slow the brakes, slow the train. So they'll do that, and then you measure data at all these points to make sure it's doing what it's supposed to do.
Yeah.
So a lot of our parts, when we're bringing them to market, we have to test them back here.
All right, so as we mentioned a minute ago, this is Greenville, South Carolina, where David and I both live.
Yep.
But we know that Amsted Rail is not just here. Nope. Where else could students, if they're like, man, I'm interested, I'm across the country, what other kind of places can we find?
So here's what I got. I got 10 to 12 roles in Illinois. I've got 4 open right here in Greenville, 3 in Indiana. I've got 6 in Ohio, 3 in Iowa. I've got 1 in Pennsylvania, in Kansas, West Virginia. We're all over.
You're all over. All right, Mr. Rowe, really appreciate you showing us around today. Any final words or thoughts for our students across the country?
It's a great industry to be in. You know, manufacturing and just the idea that you can go to school for a couple years and get some really detailed training on a specific job. And then you can just grow. You can make a good living for you and your family. You can have some fun with it.
Yeah, I agree. I think there's a branch of students who want to learn with their hands.
Yeah.
And you can do that in the trade industry.
Yeah.
Whereas you can't always do that walk into a 4-year degree or doing something like that. So I just think there's a lot of opportunities for a whole new branch of students who want to do hands-on, want to build things, want to see their hands make something. Yeah. So again, thank you so much for letting us be here today.
Yeah, man.
It's been a real joy.
Yeah,
absolutely. Thank you, Amsted Rail, for letting us come out today.